Hi everyone, welcome to DaryaCrochetLife. My name is Darya. Today we'll start with basic crochet stitches. We'll learn the very beginning techniques that you need to know when you would like to start your crocheting journey. And first of all, I will show you how to make a slip knot. So grab your yarn and make a loop like this. Then put 2 fingers of your right hand right into that loop. Grab the yarn that goes from the ball, not the tail. Took this yarn and pull it through the loop. And after that, you could pull through the tail and make that loop smaller. Then insert your hook in this loop and you could change the size of the first loop. It is our slip knot. It is not a stitch yet, so it doesn't count as a stitch. It's just our foundation. It's just our loop. It's just our slip knot. Now I will show you how to make chains. So I will show you how I take my crochet hook and yarn, but you could choose any position that is comfortable for you. So first of all, let's talk about the hook. So this part of the hook, always look at my face. So I don't put it like this or like that. I don't put it like this. It's always look at me. This special place is really good for my fingers. I use these 2 fingers, index finger and thumb, and put the hook between them. You could take the hook like this. If it's good for you, you could use it like this. Yeah, and the process itself, the crocheting part, I put the part that I put the yarn between my thumb and index finger of my left hand. Then this working yarn lies on my index finger, and with these 3 fingers I fix the tension of the working yarn. And now I'm ready for my first chain. So I grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. This is the first chain. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. The second chain. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Now I have 3. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. And now I continue as many chains as my pattern say. How to count these chains? It is very easy. You could see these 2 parts of the loop, and to count them I'm counting these parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 chains. I will make some more. And try to make all your chains the same size. Yeah, let's pretend that this is the amount of chain that I need to cast on the foundation chain. This is our foundation chain. How many chains I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so in order to make single crochet row, I'm making one more chain, and I don't count it. Now I insert my hook not in this chain, but in the second chain from the hook. So here is my hook, and here is first chain, and this is second chain. So I insert my hook to the second chain, grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and this is our first single crochet. Next single crochet goes to the next chain. Insert my hook to the next chain, grab the yarn, pull it through the loop, grab the yarn one more time and pull it through the 2 loops. And now I have 2 single crochets. I need to repeat these steps to the end of the row. I finished my first row, and if you're not sure how many stitches, how many single crochets you just made, just count them. And how to count the single crochets, look at this chain. It's really easy to see it here, and count the chain. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah. And I remember that I had 12 chains at the beginning. Then I made one more chain, and I have 12 single crochets. This is our first row. How to make next row? You make chain, turn your work, and now insert your hook in the first single crochet like this. Don't insert it in this chain, insert it in the first single crochet, and repeat all the steps. So insert your hook and make sure that these 2 parts of the single crochet are here on the hook. Grab the yarn. Now you have 2 loops. Grab the yarn one more time and pull it through the loops, and you have 2 single crochets right now, 1 and 2. And repeat all these to the end. Yeah, and here at the end of the second row, you could be not sure how many single crochets you just made, and do you need to insert hook here or not. If you're not sure, simply count. So how many single crochets you just made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I need one more single crochet. This is my second row. In order to make third row, I need to chain 1, turn my work, and then repeat everything that I did before. So I'm looking not at I'm inserting my hook not in the chain, not in the very first chain, but in the single crochet from the previous row, and repeating all these steps again. Now I have 3 rows. So this is how you make chain and single crochet. If you have any questions, just let me know, write me a comment. Please like this video and subscribe. Have a nice day, bye bye.